Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about Two-Way ANOVA, mainly the concept and research question related to building Two-Way ANOVA. So in my previous tutorial, as you have watched my mini series on one-way ANOVA, it includes one factor variable or grouping variable and its effect on outcome variable, which was BP systole or systolic blood pressure, and the factor variable was age group. So in my previous tutorial, what we have found is that as the age increases, systolic blood pressure also increases. In other words, systolic blood pressure increases with age. So now the question becomes, if we add another factor, which is sex in this case, so we're going to say, does this increasing pattern remain the same for male and female, right? Or it varies across between males and females, right? So it adds another layer of complexity. So so in our observation, systolic blood pressure increases with age, and we're going to say now in interaction effect, is that pattern remain the same for male and female, or it vary? In other words, our research question is going to be does the effect of age group depend on sex, right? Or vary by sex? That is how we build the research question related to Two-Way ANOVA. So the name, as the name suggests, Two-Way ANOVA is basically adding two factor variables instead of one. So in one-way ANOVA, we added one factor variable. In this case, we are adding two, and how they interact is these main interesting point of Two-Way ANOVA. That's the main concept of Two-Way ANOVA, basically. So interaction-wise, as we have given this example, BP systole increases with age, and how that pattern vary by sex or any other factor variable you add. So that is the main concept of Two-Way ANOVA. So hypothesis-wise, as you can see on my screen, there are two types of hypotheses or two types of effects. One is main effects, another is interaction effects. The main effects is basically the effect of age group separately, the effect of sex separately, and then interaction effects is the interaction between these two variables. So, and you already know that the hypothesis of the main effect, but let's see what's the interaction effects hypothesis, which is age group interacted with sex. So the null hypothesis is there's no interaction between age group and sex. The difference across age groups is the same for males and females. So so it's the same. And then the alternative hypothesis, which is research hypothesis, there's an interaction. The age differences vary by sex. That's the main concept. Maybe it's as we can see that BP systole increases with age, but maybe it increases faster for female than for male. So it interacts, right? So that is the main concept of two-way interaction. So hope this was helpful. In my next tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to analyze this in Stata and how to interpret the results. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please subscribe my channel.